Do you know that you can also roast corn on cob of your electric stove? Good day guys, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Thanks for coming back again. I appreciate you all. So guys, I want to show you one method that I use in roasting my corn, especially this corn season. Wow, you can do this for your friends, your visitor, for your family. So guys, your worries are over. So today I'm going to show you the easiest way to roast your corn on your electric cob. So stay tuned guys, let's start this video. So I place my corn now on my electric cob. I'm about to start the process of roasting the corn, guys. You're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time watching, please don't fail to subscribe, like, leave your comments down below on the comment section. Tell me what you have learned for us so far, and please also share. Others have to see what we have learned from us as well, or don't you think so? There is love in sharing, guys. That's why I decided to bring you my own part of experience to show you that you can also do it. So stay tuned and let's roast this corn together, guys. It's season, corn season. So let's enjoy this season together. Go get your own corn and let's do this together, guys. You can do it. So my corn is already on the fire. You have to check from time to time. Please check for time to time, because you wouldn't let your corn to get burnt. So I have to flip it to the other side. Always check and check. You don't want to eat burnt corn, right? So at this time, I can't wait for my corn to get ready. This method is very easy and simple. You can do this, guys. I have 3 types of ways of how to roast corn. Stay tuned, guys. Make sure you don't miss any of my videos. I will update you when I bring other methods. turn on your notification bell to notify you anytime I upload video here. And also feel free to leave your comment down below to tell me what you would like to learn from me, from our channel. Always check your corn, guys. Always check your corn, my people, so you will not end up eating a burnt corn. Our corn is almost ready, guys. Hope you are enjoying watching this video. For me, I am happy to show you this method, guys. And I'm ready to do more. Just subscribe, turn on your notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video here. You wouldn't like to miss any of them, right? See how beautiful our corn is looking. It's corn season. You don't miss out of this. This season is a season of corn. You wouldn't like to stay throughout the year without eating your roasted corn. So guys, our corn is ready. Please like, subscribe, share my video. Thanks for watching.